I'm Little Mermaid. This cute friend Dodo helped me meet my prince. Let me tell you what happened. On a windy day, a big wave hit a ship. One man fell into a sea and was drowning very fast. I quickly swam toward him. However, he didn't move or breathe. I was scared. Was he dead? As I kissed him, he slowly opened his eyes, but soon he passed out again. When we arrived at the shore, I saw a beautiful princess walking toward us. I quickly hid behind a rock and watched as the princess took the prince to somewhere else. A few days later, I heard the news that the prince was marrying the princess. When I was about to cry, I heard someone else crying. When I looked at the shore, 3 bears were surrounding one bear. They yelled, "You're brave. We can surf. But look at you. You're such a coward. You don't belong with us. Goodbye." They threw him into the sea. The poor bear was drowning, so I quickly swam toward him. I said, "I got you. What's your name?" The bear said, "My name is Dodo. Thanks for saving me. Is there anything I can do for you?" I said, "Well, can you tell the prince that I was the one who saved him?" Dodo said, "Of course. I heard that he likes cakes. I'll pretend to be a decoration on a cake and enter his castle." When Dodo sneaked into the castle, he climbed on a cake and stayed still, just like a doll. As soon as he entered the prince's room, he called out, "Prince, where are you?" Prince appeared with the sword in his hand. "Who called me?" Dodo replied. "It's me." Prince asked, "You're a real bear? What are you doing here?" Dodo said, "I came here to tell you that it was the Little Mermaid who saved you from the sea, not the princess." The prince immediately ran to the sea. "Little Mermaid, please come out. I want to see you." When I showed up, he kissed me right away. Then my tail turned into 2 legs. He took me to his beautiful castle and proposed to me. "Will you marry me, Little Mermaid?" I said, "Yes." And we lived happily ever after. Oh, do you want to know what happened to Dodo? Dodo's brave story became really famous. Now he loves to surf with his friends. The